it's Gina with WTI. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you need this personal bidet from Redsack. First off, you do not have to worry about this accidentally turning on while you're carrying it around with you, because it does not start spraying water until the lever is lowered. So you can have peace of mind carrying it around in your purse. It's not going to accidentally jostle on. Secondly, this is highly portable and it's small and discreet. It comes with its own carrying case. I found that it was easy to take into public bathrooms with me. And although you can fill it with warm water if you have that accessible, you can also fill it just with regular water before you leave the house. It's going to be a little bit of a fresher experience, but definitely works. Third, this is high quality. This is solid and well made. I love that it has 2 different modes for whatever your need is. It has high and low. Both of them have a good ample amount of water to make sure you get very clean. You will never have to experience the indignity of running out of toilet paper or being in a spot where there is no bathroom and no way to keep yourself clean. I think this is an amazing portable bidet, and that's my point of view.